Chuga sa San Jose ngayon. Pati kaming meeting, late na kami. Panay niya ini ka, ay nasakto at yun eh. Ay next, pati kayo mong lunch meeting, puntalan mo yung ngayon. So alay silin ngayon as usual. Pero yung weird, alay Miguel.
Actually, meeting ni Malawi San Fernando. Sorry guys.
San Fernando.
Ba't kayo talo dala?
San Fernando, La Union.
I'm sorry.
12 noon niya paling meeting me. It's 10:30 AM.
So yung vlog ngayon tungkol yung
Very dumb.
top things to do when you're late.
Top 5 things that happen. And
What to do?
what to do when you're late.
Expect to get pa
Oh, yeah.
late.
Ayan, okay. May sasabihin na good yung maging late. But in case, worst case scenario, late na kayo, here are the top 5 things to do. Top 1, relax. Sila na ang gawa.
Wala na kakarapat.
Ma-late na ka talaga.
Tsaka,
Better to go late than ugly.
than never. Better late than
Anyway,
never.
so, chill ka mo. Mas ma-clear mo yung mind mo.
Parang
Nung nanong importanteng gawan, di ba? Di ba patan late na ka? Mamaligwa ka, mataranta ka mga kanyan.
Wow. Puta may aksidente ka
Wow.
pag yan lalan mga kanyan. Or yung eyeliner mo asul mega labim.
Oo. Second is, kapag mag-relax, isipan mo rin ang gamit na kailangan mo or kailangan mong gawan bayo ka mutaketang mong lugar. Kasi nangyari tang miras na agad ang puntalan mo, akali mo may cellphone mo.
ID.
Akali mo yung ID mo, patalog ka eskwela,
Yeah.
akali mo yung notes mo.
Nya it pays to prepare the night before eh.
Wow.
Para kang gamit
Wow.
na sagay mo no sagay no kaya lagyan mo noon kayang tambing kayang bag mo makanya.
Wow.
Charge mo yung gana.
Charge mo yung gana very important.
Ay, di pa, puta mag-charge ka, lele may itang gamit mo kitang charger mo.
Wow, baka ta.
Definitely. Halakpan mo yung charger mo.
Wow.
Halo ko.
Di mo magdala ka mong
Personal
laptop.
Okay, third most important thing, nung malate ka man ating maperwisyo, kailangan mo lang sabihanan.
Wow.
Be honest, let's say kutang danokor na ka. Papunta na ako, makajip na ako, ay niya ng kayangin, kahit tsuka kitang blower.
Eh, sasabihan may kapandilo na kayo nung katatalakad yung taging
Wow.
kama, ko pang patapata lupa.
Kung retang makasave yung text na on the way, balo ko reta eh. Anyway, siguro for yung share mo,
Foggy problem.
for is, di mo, naman kailangan man dilo, worst case scenario, nung may dilo na kayo mong the night before,
Kopya mo na yan mo.
Kaya comment dilo na.
Tsaka may jacket.
Compromise na kayo.
Wow. Tsaka,
Let go ka retang less important things, bata mo makapag-compensate
wow, wag kitang oras. Wow.
diba? Okay, top 5, the most important thing.
The most important.
The worst case scenario, the last resort is call a friend. Okay nga niya, ating kaming meeting, kalpan itang potang ini kalungog yun, mag-call a friend yun. Di ba makastop ng maragol? As in, bala mo i-save da ka. Okay kung narin, tigaluklukan na kailangan ma-save. Pag-save na ng kanitang friend. Kung mga Kev, sabi mo ka ako, at ikang kilalang tao na isip na katang kita pangalitan. So, yung meeting ni pala, ganyang laon yun. So, yung problema ko is traffic. So, how do you beat traffic?
You beat
With
traffic.
this poker.
Poker.
You beat it with this poker.
Sa akin, F50. Yan, sa akin na mo, baka namiras na laon yun. Dahil salamat. King Aces Travel and Tours, ang po kami Hilda. Ilang sinahop kaya kami. Ilang sinahop ka na ako. Bakit to get things going. No?
Just to clear it with you guys malit kami, anyapin, banta, mabilis kayong miras. Sa akin na
Kaya na
kami
kami yung aeroplano.
aeroplano.
We chartered the flight.
This poker,
This poker is gonna
Take
make
us.
our dreams come true.
Nang mas
To
masabi
the
sa akin,
skies.
poker 50 o
poker 50 o poker 50? Okay, next time po tang mag-book kayong flight, give your real name. Aluwarang nickname you, like Bruno and Boogie, not a real name.
Next name,
Good thing our friends from
yeah, good thing our friends from, Players Corp and King Aces, they helped us out. Thank you. So this is our boarding pass.
MIF Kevin Karang Airport. Cause of delay. Yung face value na liya mag-work kaya ng airport.
Yes, you shall. When it hits you, yes.
So, at yung ni Kenning Clark Airport, this is our flight. The Poker 50.
On our way to board the plane, we're gonna get poked up.
For your safety, we kindly request you to refrain from to fasten, push ends together. To tighten, pull loose end of the strap. Phones, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi enabled devices. Otherwise, set up the flight mode for the duration. Your safety push
So, ano pa yung sinabi mo
located in the
nandun?
seat pocket in
Kung
front of
late
you.
na ka,
We strongly suggest you
relax
read it
lang.
before takeoff.
trust
If
the
you have any
pilot.
questions,
And trust the process.
Trust the process. Trust. Welcome to San Fernando.
San Fernando.
La Union.
We're just in time for lunch.
Wah, ini kayo mga
First foray into the Wido local outside Angeles. So sabi ko, magpalaot kayong bagya. Ngayon, tagay La Union.
La Union.
So na kami ngayon ni kayang San Fernando La Union and we're on our way to Savis. So rin kami mag-lunch.
Yes, you shall. When it hits you, yes, indeed. Yes, yes. When it hits you, yes, indeed.
So, coming ini kining by the bay, kining La Union.
Yeah, Baywalk kay La
La
Union.
Union, San Fernando.
Hindatin lang ba yung restaurant ngayon na nakakabuklat pa mo? Itang Savis.
Here.
Savis.
The Savi.
Very savvy place.
So, kasalukuyan ng re-reading pamangan. So, yung style kayo is manggamat. Yan. Kablang punta.
This is what you call an authentic, real life organic plate. Kaya kami house bigyan ni bulo saging.
Savi.
Ini mo yung panayin da parati eh. Ini mo. Eh baling ay madakalulam. Dahil mo sana si. So, yapi ninitang meeting me.
Wow, I've been meeting with food.
So, ali kami may late. Sakto kami mo. Daratang na pa yung food. On time. Thank you.
Thank you, Poker F50. Care of King Aces Travel
King
and
Aces
Tours.
Sobrang kami may overwhelmed
Yes.
kitang flight. Akala mo milalagyo.
Nakala salamat King Aces. Nakala salamat Miss Hilda for taking us here.
Thank you very much. Ali kami may late.
Just
King,
for lunch.
food. Kadaratang pa. Fresh, mapali pa. Uy, sa kanya man solid. Uy. Eh, bumburo. Sulib.
Datang kain.
Manok. Barbecue.
Sulib.
Ano
Bukod
ba?
naman.
Kamatis sa maluto. In the best part na pamiyang kami by the bay.
Check that out. With a view.
Lele.
BW.
Naning dagat. Anyway, ito, nakasalamat. Savis Place. Savis Place?
Savis.
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 Savis for that sumptuous Savi lunch.
Nung dingaliwa, magreplano la, kaya mag 3 days, 2 nights lang kami. After 3 ulams, 2 rice, sa akin na kami ulit. Maganda kalot next day kayo ni like
Sakto mong
1.5 hours.
1.5 hours.
Yes, you holler. Yes,
Okay, this is takeoff number 2. So, ano nang oras? 1200 na joke. Feeling.
It's
1400.
1445 hours.
So, takeoff number 2. From La Union, San Fernando, going to Clark. And we're back in the city.
Back to Clark.
Clark.
Back to Angeles.
So tired.
In just medyo winded kami na kasi kami sanay ang mga tang klaseng galawan na sulag po ka rin may balik ka.
Checkpoint mo pong Marisol yung galawan. Yeah.
Pero nung anti mo, you have immediate requirements na sulag po, munta kayang places like that. Malyaring because now Clark offers chartered flights through King's Aces Travel, Lias Corp, and all the other organizations. So dakla salamat kayo and for hosting us on the Poker 50
launch.
product launch. Ayan. want more videos like
Be the
this,
local.
just follow us at We The Local.
Thank
Alright?
you.